Hi, I'm Heidi Villegas with Healing Harvest Homestead, and I just wanted to pop in here and let you know that the video you're about to watch is sponsored by the Confident Herbalist Tribe. That is our membership group that it's basically a complete herbalism course for all levels, but definitely for beginners and intermediate. There are over 200 videos so far. There are hundreds and hundreds of replays of our live Q&A chats each week that include a list of what we talked about in each session. We do weekly live Q&A, so if you can make it to the question answer chats, those are a lot of fun. And there are over 50 master classes at this time. Most of them are deep dives into the plants themselves, the phytochemistry, recipes and remedies, how to use them, the research behind the chemicals in the plants and why they work. One of the reasons I made it so affordable for people, even though it's extremely valuable, is because it's my mission and goal to get an herbalist into every extended family. I think especially given the state of the world right now, we really need to start learning how to take care of our health and be empowered in our health choices a lot better. So anyway, enjoy this video. This video actually is one of the videos from inside one of the master classes in the Confident Herbalist Tribe. I think you're going to love it. I'll leave a link to the Confident Herbalist Tribe below, or you can check it out up here, but it's definitely well worth your time, and the price is just going to continue to go up. So it's a great time to hop in with us and start learning herbalism and join a really fun group. All right, you guys, so now we're going to go ahead and make an herbal tea for self-care, basically. It's just going to be one of those nice teas that you can sit and relax with and enjoy. If you are a person who's not affected greatly by chamomile, you can drink this throughout the day. But if you are like me and chamomile really relaxes you a lot, then this is a tea that I would drink maybe after work or while watching TV, just sipping on it and enjoying it. So the first thing you want is holy basil. I love holy basil in self-care teas. It's first of all, it smells great and it tastes great. It's an adaptogen herb, as you know. We do have a master class right now on holy basil in the tribe materials, so you might want to check it out. It's just a really wonderful plant, and I enjoy it a lot. So we're going to do one part of holy basil, and then we're going to do some rose petals. Now, rose petals are astringent, and they have kind of a soft flavor, even though they are astringent. But I like them because they are really just good for your emotional heart. And I know that that might sound woo-woo to some people, but your heart actually feels emotions. And so besides the cardiovascular aspect of your heart, there's the emotional portion. I love using roses when I'm needing a little support. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my chamomile, and we're going to do, so it was one part of holy basil, one part of the rose petals, and then we're going to do one part of chamomile. I'm going to get a good big scoop there. Maybe just add a little bit of extra chamomile. It smells so good. I've got to get that into a jar. And then I'm going to do, in the recipe I've got linden flowers, but I'm out of linden right now, so I'm going to go ahead and put some California poppy in. Now, California poppy is a stronger relaxing herb than linden, so this says a half a part of linden. I'm only going to use like a quarter part of the California poppy, because otherwise it's going to be just too much of a relaxing tea. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the California poppy in there. And then finally, lemon balm, always a wonderful soothing herb. And we're going to go ahead and do a quarter part of lemon balm. But you know, I like it so much and I love using it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put about a half a part. And then the next herb is optional. It's St. John's wort. You do not have to use it if you don't want to. And in this case, I don't have any dried on hand right now, so I'm not going to use it. But I'm going to mix it up. I just made a small amount of this tea. I did not make a huge amount of this. I probably should. I think I'm going to send some to my daughter. I think she'll really like this. But isn't that a beautiful tea? I think anytime you're adding flowers together and green leaves with rose petals, you've just got a gorgeous tea. It's just beautiful. So anyway, this is called Take a Moment. I hope you enjoy this. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you really enjoyed it. If you think you might be interested in joining the Confident Herbalist tribe, which sponsored this video for you, then I hope you'll click the link below and join us. At any rate, please like and subscribe to our channel where there's lots of free information too. Thanks a lot. I'm Heidi Villegas with Healing Harvest Homestead, and I hope to see you in the tribe.